I ate this sweet and filling breakfast, and my blood sugar did not spike. So let's get on as I teach you how to make it. So, for this particular recipe, we'll be needing chia seeds, but this time around, not the old seeds, but we will be needing the powder. So, all you just have to do is to go in with the old chia seeds into your coffee grinder and then grind it into a powder form. That's all you need. So once you grinded your chia seeds into the powder form, get a jar, get a bowl or a container, add 2 tablespoons of the powdered chia seed into it. After that, go in with any sweetener of your choice. For this recipe, you can either use stevia or monk foods, but I use monk foods for this particular recipe. So after adding the chia seed powder, I added 1 tablespoon of monk food sweetener. After that, I went in with 1 tablespoon of pure cocoa powder, and then I also added a pinch of salt. After that, go in with any natural or milk of your choice. With any good milk of your choice, you can either use soy milk, coconut milk, or almond milk. For this recipe, I used coconut milk, so I just went in with a full cup, a cup, measuring cup portion of coconut milk. Then all you just have to do is just shake everything together and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, check on what you are refrigerating, and then you have something good like this, which will not spike your blood sugar to start your